Only 60 hertz? Disgusting. What was Google thinking putting 60 hertz on a phone this price?
Man, Google, you really dropped the ball on this one.
Just because the iPhone could do it don't mean the Pixel should.
I know where my next
Google
phone is.
leading in this thing.
Hold on. Let's do this right. We need 120 hertz. We need 120 hertz.
Really? That's what y'all complaining about? Hey, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell, and they always want to hook me up, but shout out to Team Pixel, man. They always want to hook me up with the latest phones. So today we got the Pixel 6a early. I got early access to this thing, and there's no embargoes or nothing, so I'm not limited, but I want to go and show you what's up with this, and I want to go and talk about this dumb 60 hertz thing that everybody going crazy about on Twitter. Like, it don't make sense. But I got the reviewers box, and I want to see what's in this. So y'all know what we gotta do. Let's get into it. All right, so we're back here again at the legendary unboxing table, and this is the box that Google actually gives the reviewers. So we got me, Pixel 6a here with the Google logo colors all over the box. And all we gotta do is just open this thing up, and then we got here, hey, blank, help me make my review video. What? Let me try real quick. Hey Google, help me make my review video.
I don't know, but I found these results on search.
Yeah, that's not working. Let's try the QR code. So I'm using my iPhone right now because I'm actually doing a lot of Instacart and DoorDash, and the iPhone's been working out best for me. So let's just go ahead and try this out. The effect by Google Pixel is ready to be viewed in Instagram. Opening Instagram. All right, let's go ahead and try this real quick. And what's going on here? All right, so it's a quiz, I guess. Nice try, Google. But anyway, let's look in the box real quick. So we got a kit as helpful as Pixel 6a, and then we got all this info right here, so you can go and read for yourself if you want, but I'm not. All I'm really concerned about is the phone here. So we got the Pixel 6a here. So we actually got it in white too. I think I said on Twitter this is the color that I actually want, and then they sent it to me, so that's dope. I don't know if they saw my tweet or not, and they just sent it to me, or it just happened to be a coincidence or what, or whatever. So if you want a Pixel 6a, it's gonna run you $449, and you can get it in Sage, you can get it in Chalk, which is what I got, and then you also got Charcoal. So they don't got these weird crazy color names like they used to. So anyway, that's all we got inside the box. So we don't got no Pixel Buds or anything, so I'll just go ahead and buy those and let y'all know how I feel about that. Anyway, we got Pixel 6a here, we got the logo, we got the Pixel phone. On the left side we got Google, on the right side we got Pixel 6a, and on the back we got some info that I don't really care about. Actually, never mind, here's some helpful information. So we got 5G sub 6. So as far as I know, this does not have millimeter wave. But anyway, let's just go ahead and peel this thing open real quick. So we have the nice peel open tabs that Google always gives us. So let's go ahead and get this out the box, and there we go. Here is our Pixel 6a, and to give y'all a comparison, this is what it looks like next to the Pixel 6a. So if you also look here by the cameras a lot less raised on the Pixel 6a, so that's dope. But it's basically just a smaller Pixel 6 Pro. And to give y'all an even further comparison, here's what it looks like next to the Pixel 5a. So a huge difference. If you're not coming from the Pixel 6 Pro, which you shouldn't be anyway, you should be coming from the Pixel 5a or some other phone. This is what you're gonna get here, and that's a pretty big difference. Now with the Pixel 6 Pro, you get all these crazy cameras right here, so you're gonna be downgraded with this Pixel 6a. You're gonna get like the same sensor, I think, with the Pixel 2, 3, 4, all those other phones. So you're only gonna get 2 cameras right there, and then you get a flash, but the design is still pretty dope. But yeah, that's just a classic Google design right there. So we got the power button, as you can see right there, and then we got our volume rockers. We got our in-display fingerprint scanner, USB-C, which I will hope so these days. And then we got our SIM card slot. So no SD card slot, as we already know with Pixels, and we don't have a headphone jack this year. So look at this. Don't that look weird, not having a headphone jack on here anymore? That kind of sucks, because if you look at the Pixel 5a, there's that headphone jack, but there ain't none on the 6a. Anyway, that's what the screen is looking like here, so let me go ahead and get it better in the view. You can kind of see the bezel right there, which it really ain't that much bezel, but there's still more than there is on the Pixel 6 Pro, which is to be expected. This is a lot more expensive. Anyway, we got a hole punch here at the top, we got a speaker grill, so we're gonna have dual speakers here at the top and bottom, so that's pretty dope. We got a microphone here at the top, and then we got our 2 speakers here at the bottom. I already told you about USB-C and all that. And the rest of the box, we don't have a power brick this year, so come on Google, you really slacking, man. Come on now. Just because other companies are doing it don't mean you should be doing it too. Anyway, we still got a charger here, so it's Type-C to Type-C, as you can see. So it's about a 6-foot cable, I would say. Surprisingly, we still got this thing right here, so you can go ahead and use this to transfer your files, so that's pretty dope. We got a USB-C to USB-A. We got Pixel 6a Google Tensor, so that's their new chip, and then we have our SIM card slot, and then we also should have our user manuals and stuff. So yep, y'all know we do with this. We throw it to the side as always. Now let's just go ahead and check this thing out, man. So let's go ahead and press onto the power button, which is pretty clicky, and let's see, where is our Google logo? It might be dead. Okay, then no, it's not. Okay, there we go. So we got some vibration right there. So if it's the same one as the Pixel 6 Pro, that's gonna be pretty nice. So we got welcome to your Pixel here, and when this thing falls, I can actually feel the vibration out here, and it feels pretty decent. Anyway, I'm gonna go and set this thing up, and I'll get back to y'all. Alright, so we're done. Now let's finally just go ahead and get right into it. Let's go and talk about this disgusting 60 hertz screen. Ugh. Who cares, okay? Who cares? I guess you can make that point if there was basically all the phones at this price tag had like 90 hertz or 120 hertz, but they don't. And if they don't, they're probably sacrificing another field. So the Pixel here, you got the camera on there, even though it's mainly software, like let's be real. You got the screen, you got everything about it, which we'll figure out over the next week and month and whatever. But so far, like, I don't really think 60 hertz gonna be a problem, and I already said it from the jump. Like, even when 120 hertz phones first came out, I don't really care about 120 hertz like that. Like, that's just me personally, I guess, but still, 60 hertz shouldn't be a problem out here. This looks perfectly smooth to me, and I'm not just saying that because I'm a Team Pixel dude. Like, look at my Pixel 5 review. I said that you shouldn't get that thing when it came out. So I can be real, and I am real when I say this. 60 hertz ain't a problem out here, alright? Like, let me call out MKBHD real quick, okay? No, I'm not starting YouTube beef. I'm way too small to start YouTube beef with him. I had to get in front of the camera for this one. But yeah, about MKBHD, he did a video on the Pixel 6a. He actually put that next to an iPhone 13 Pro or Pro Max, that from what I may hear, which I don't know why he wouldn't just grab an iPhone 13. And no, it ain't because, oh, I'm a Team Pixel member, so I'm trying to stay on the good side and have them keep sending me phones. Look, really, I don't really care, okay? Google, I appreciate you sending me phones, but y'all already know this, okay? I even said in my Pixel 5 review, I didn't recommend it. On my channel, I talk brutally honest about this stuff. I don't really care what the repercussions is. If I don't like it, I'm gonna tell y'all I don't like it. And how I feel is 60 hertz ain't a problem on the Pixel 6a. And especially why y'all complaining now when this thing was leaked, I don't know how long ago, and they was talking about 60 hertz. Like, it's a little too late for that now. The phone's actually out. They're not gonna go back here in their factory and put 120 hertz in this thing just because y'all said so now. Maybe that could have changed when the rumors and leaks were coming, but now that's actually out, y'all wanna say something. That don't make no sense. If it bothered you so much, why didn't you complain before we got this phone? That would make sense, right? Come on, put the two and two together. All right, ran over. I just had to get that off my chest. But besides that, I mean, this thing seems decent so far. Like, I like the size of the screen. Now, I'm wondering because the Pixel 5a had the overheating issue with the 4K 60. I'm wondering if the Pixel 6a is gonna have that same issue. So I want to go and check up on that, and I'll let y'all know. Anyway, man, hopefully y'all enjoyed this. Let me know what y'all want to see on the Pixel 6a. Maybe I'll do some videos on like the camera and whatever. But to be honest with y'all, I'm not gonna lie. All the cameras seem the same to me these days, so I don't really do these camera tests no more. At the end of the day, we're all gonna post it on Twitter, Instagram, Snap, whatever you're gonna do with it. I mean, it's a nice camera though, so I'll show y'all anyway. But let me know in the comments below what y'all think about this and what color would you get? Would you even get this phone in the first place? And let me know what y'all think about these more face-to-face videos because I feel like my personality is more coming out to the video, and Digital Slang was telling me about that. So Slang, if you ain't watching this video, man, we gonna have a problem because you're the one that told me to do these videos, so I'm coming after you, bro. Nah, but let me get up out of here before I say something too crazy. But anyway, thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and give this video a like. And if you really liked it, go and subscribe. But go and follow me on my social media at Ecentech on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook, but Instagram and Twitter, so I'm most active. Wow. I actually got that all out in just one breath. But anyway, hopefully I enjoyed this. I'm glad to be making videos again, man. It's really dope. But thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one then. Peace out. Oh yeah, one more thing. If you don't even have the phone in your hands yet, then I don't even know why you're in this conversation. Get back to me when you actually have the phone in your hands.